Hello everybody, Diana here from Melbourne Playback. Just because our world looks different now doesn't mean we need to stop our personal and professional growth. We at Melbourne Playback have come up with a way for you to remember who you are as a company, as a culture, and as a team. Melbourne Playback has created a new workshop series for your team. In this workshop series, your team will learn skills in active listening, share crucial stories, and connect in a constructive way that builds morale and a supportive culture. In a Melbourne Playback performance, your team will connect through storytelling, theatre, and music. You will learn our cornerstone method in active listening and telling stories with impact and influence. We will also share with you the fundamental skills in improvisation and apply them to your work and life as your team plans for growth going forward. This workshop series is fun, impactful, and a great way for you to connect with your team again in a meaningful and productive way.
I am the wings, ready to explode and set me free.
This is what people have said about our programs. These workshops are designed to help you remember who you are as a team and as a company so that you can find a way to tell new stories now and into the future.
What if we just looked at each other on the screen and were just grateful to be living in this country? And get really close too.